the ultimate guide to grooming and personal care for men. Introduction. Welcome to the ultimate guide to grooming and personal care for men. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the essential grooming habits that every adult man should incorporate into their daily routine. Grooming is not just about looking good. It's about feeling confident and taking care of yourself. From hair care and skin care to hygiene and style, we will cover it all. So gentlemen, let's embark on this journey to discover the secrets of effective grooming and personal care. Hair care. Your hair is your crowning glory, and taking care of it should be a priority. Start with finding the right haircut that suits your face shape and personal style. Regular visits to a professional barber can help maintain your desired look. Additionally, invest in quality hair products such as shampoos, conditioners, and styling products that suit your hair type. Remember to wash your hair regularly, but avoid overdoing it, as excessive washing can strip away natural oils. Properly drying and styling your hair is equally important, using techniques like towel drying or blow drying. Lastly, embrace a consistent maintenance routine that includes trimming your hair, especially if you have a specific hairstyle that requires regular touch-ups. Skincare. Taking care of your skin is crucial for a healthy and youthful appearance. Establish a skincare routine that suits your skin type, which typically involves cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and protecting from the sun's harmful rays. Cleansing your face twice a day, morning and evening, helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Follow it up with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and a moisturizer to keep it hydrated. Sunscreen is a must to shield your skin from damaging UV rays and prevent premature aging. Exfoliation should also be a part of your skincare regimen to remove dead skin cells and promote cell renewal. Additionally, consider incorporating skincare products tailored to address specific concerns like acne, aging, or sensitivity. Regular visits to a dermatologist can provide further guidance and personalized advice. Hygiene. Maintaining proper hygiene is fundamental for overall well-being and making a positive impression. Daily routines such as brushing your teeth at least twice a day, flossing and using mouthwash ensure fresh breath and dental health. Showering regularly, using a mild body wash or soap, and paying attention to areas prone to odor and sweat are essential. Proper grooming also involves taking care of your nails by keeping them clean, trimmed and filed. Additionally, using deodorants, antiperspirants and colognes can help you stay fresh throughout the day. Don't forget to pay attention to other areas like your ears, nose and eyebrows, keeping them well groomed and free from excess hair. Style and dressing. Developing your personal style and dressing appropriately for different occasions is a crucial aspect of grooming. Start by understanding your body type and identifying clothing styles that complement it. Invest in a versatile wardrobe consisting of essential items like well-fitting shirts, pants, jeans, and jackets. Experiment with colors, patterns, and textures to express your personality. Pay attention to details such as selecting the right footwear, belts, and accessories to complete your look. Tailoring your clothes to fit you perfectly can make a significant difference in your overall appearance. Remember to dress appropriately for formal events, business settings, or casual outings, as it showcases your respect for the occasion and those around you. Conclusion. Congratulations. By incorporating the principles outlined in this guide, you have taken significant steps towards enhancing your grooming and personal care routine. Remember that grooming is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires commitment and consistency. By investing time and effort into your hair, skin, hygiene, and style, you will radiate confidence and present your best self to the world. Embrace the power of grooming and let it contribute to your overall well-being and success. Now go out there, gentlemen, and conquer the world with your polished appearance and impeccable grooming habits.